Hey, VoiceAI adventurers. Guru here with today's hottest VoiceAI finds and news for Tuesday.
AI technology gives Neale Daniher his voice back. AI has helped Neale Daniher, living with MND, regain speech using voice banking and AI synthesis. This allows realistic, digitally replicated communication through devices controlled with minimal gestures, supporting clearer expression and emotional connections. It also promotes AI-based assistance awareness for similar conditions. The information is from the ABC News website.
RadioTransciptor releases real-time AI transcription tool. The latest project, RadioTransciptor, offers speech-to-text capabilities for radio communications, utilizing OpenAI's Whisper for transcription. It's optimized for use with software-defined radios and uses NVIDIA CUDA GPUs when available. Ideal for ham radio, emergency scanners, and broadcast archiving. The user behind its development is Thekid. The information is from the RadioTransciptor website.
NVIDIA advances speech AI models. NVIDIA Parakeet TDT 0.6B v2, a 600 million parameter ASR model, excels with industry-best 6.05% word error rate and ranks number 1 on the Hugging Face ASR leaderboard. NVIDIA's models offer unparalleled accuracy and speed, ideal for real-world applications. Key features include song-to-lyrics transcription and multilingual support. The information is from the NVIDIA Technical Blog website.
Top voice AI news and conversational AI intel, Guru curated from the digital frontier. For deeper analysis and exclusive insights, check out the full DailyGram here.